The new Razer Blade 18 is more of a minor refresh of last year's model. It's packing a 13th generation Intel Core processor, too, but this one comes from Intel's 45W series, instead of the HX series used for the Blade 16 and Blade 15. This processor, an Intel Core i9-13980HX, has 24 cores and 24 MB cache memory. The other models go up to 24 cores and 36 MB cache, and it can boost up to 5.6 GHz, so it's still plenty fast. You can also get up to a 16 GB GDDR6 VRAM NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, along with 64 GB of DDR5-5200MHz RAM and a 2 TB SSD, which is again not as powerful as the top-tier configurations of the bigger models. There's only one display configuration available this time around, and it's an 18-inch Quad HD IPS panel with 100% coverage of DCI-P3 and a 240 Hz refresh rate. There's nothing too fancy here, like a dual-mode display or mini LED, but this is still a great screen. The focus of the Razer Blade 18 is being more portable than the other two models, which is greatly helped by the less powerful specs. It starts at 6.8 pounds of weight, instead of the 5.4 pounds of the Blade 16. It should also last longer on a charge since the components aren't going to use as much power. Thank you.